Let's see how to create a Q&A slide in Slidea. Click on the New Slide button in the top left corner of the Presentation Editor page. Choose the Q&A slide type from the popular question types. Add your question in the question field in the right panel. Click on All Slides to allow your participants to ask questions on all slides during the presentation. Click on Only on Q&A slide to allow your participants to ask questions only on this slide. Click on the Allow Audience to see each other's questions checkbox to let your participants see each other's questions. Use the formatting options to edit the text style, size, and color. Change the background color of the slide. Click on Reset to Theme Defaults to remove all the custom effects. In the right panel, click on the Design menu. Click on the Upload Image icon to add an image. We have a collection of images and GIFs available under Image Library and GIFs menu. In the Upload menu, drag and drop or choose a file from your device to your slide. Your file should be in PNG, GIF, JPG, or SVG format with a maximum file size of 15 megabytes. You can adjust the opacity of the image by dragging the slider. Click on the On-Slide Notes at the bottom of the center panel to store reminders, talking points, keynotes for that particular slide for the presenter. Once done, preview your slide to see how it works. Present it to your audience and start collecting responses. Once the responses are received, all the questions will be displayed under Top Questions. You can pin a question if you find it important or to answer it later. You can find all the pinned questions under Pinned. If you have answered a question, you can mark it as Mark as Answered. Those questions will be displayed under Answered. And that's it. It's your turn to create amazing presentations with Q&A slides.